So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do a quick haul from Sephora. So yeah, let's get into it. So there are two things that I got prior to my little trip that I already opened and started using. So yeah, let's probably start with that. So I got the One Size Beauty Secure the Blur Makeup Magnetic Primer. If you know Patrick Star, you know this primer. It works like a dream. It makes everything look smooth and it doesn't feel like drying or anything like that. It just glides on and it has your makeup glide on over it as well. So it's pretty good so far. I think it claims to be hydrating and all that. It says an ultra blurring pore refining primer with niacinamide that mattifies and evens out skin's texture as it grips makeup for flawless application and enhanced wear. Apply before makeup. So yeah, it technically lives up to its claims about smoothing the skin, mattifying it, but it's not drying you out to make you look cakey or anything like that. So yeah, it works. The next thing I got that I already started using and opened is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I got it in the shade Chai. It's pretty good. It basically blurs everything out. You can't really see through it. It is full coverage. I don't know what I was doing before I had this, but it works wonders. And now let's get into the things that I picked up recently when I went. So I'm just pulling anything out of the bag. So the first thing that I got is Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I got it in the shade Tiramisu. So what I did with why I went out to get new foundation is because the ones that I had started to showing up red and I had to do too much to get my actual shade, like supplemented with powders and mixing with concealers and all that stuff, and I didn't want that. So I got this. It's basically yellow type base, but not like olive to look green on my skin. So it has been working. Like the first time I tried it on, I couldn't see it, and the lady in Sephora was like, "Where did you put it?" And I was like, "Yeah." So I definitely had to get this. So if you're gonna try it, you can try it too. And I think it's supposed to be medium to full coverage, so that should be good. I also have very dry skin, so when I had put this on my face, I tried it out first time, it didn't make me feel like dehydrated or anything like that, so it's pretty good so far. I also got this Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I got this because I've been suffering horribly with dry skin lately, and makeup wipes to take off my makeup hasn't been working. It has been making my skin ultra dry, so this has been helping with that instead of using makeup wipes or some other harsh alcohol based makeup remover. This has been working like a dream, and then you just grab a bit to put on some, and I think I had a sample before. Once you put it on, it just glides off if you just wash it off with warm water, or if you want to take a towel and wipe it off, it's up to you. But get you some, especially if you have dry skin, get you some. The next thing I bought is the Lancome Tainty Doll Ultra Wear foundation. I got this in 530 Suede C. So what had happened was I complained that of course I had the red or the orange look to my foundations, and I was a bit skeptical about getting it in cool Suede C, but it when I tested it out in Sephora, it actually had a little bit of a yellow base, not too much, not as much as the Too Faced one, but it's it had matched pretty well. I can't complain about that. So, and the coverage is good. And I also was recommended this by my cousin's friends, and they swear by it, and their makeup always look flawless. So pick you up some as well if you want to. I think this retailed for like $47, and I think this was $40. So yeah. Then I got the Lineage lip sleeping mask. Do I need to say that I was suffering from dry skin? I don't think so. So yeah, I got this because my lips have been going through it, really cracked and everything. So yeah, I'll open it to show you how it looks. So it looks like this. I'm gonna open it. Oh, it has a little cap that goes at the top. It smells good, actually. It actually smells good. And oh, it comes with a little lip scooper thingy. So I'm just hoping I'll be able to really combat this dry skin, because my skin has been going through it and like it hurts. It's so dry it hurts. But I also needed to get my makeup shit together, because yeah, your girl, what am I trying to, couldn't deal with that. Next thing I got is a beauty blender. I haven't had an actual beauty blender in a while, and I could tell the difference. I also use the Real Techniques blending sponge. That works well as it works well too, but I think nothing beats the black beauty blender, the original, you know. Get you some if you don't got it. And then I was recommended this eyeliner as well from the Sephora collection. It is in Noir #1 black regular eyeliner, and that's it for my haul. Oh, and I got 2 samples of the Lineage water sleeping mask. So that brings me to the end of my haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're well and safe.